Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and I am here today to talk about 23 non-yarny things about me. Now I've been tagged by Cassie from Niche Craft and also from Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. So I've got the questions on my phone, so I've got to tell you, I've got 23 obviously. So my favourite colour, I think you all know guys, it's purple, any shade of purple. My favourite genre of music, I like any type of music guys, it all depends what type of mood I'm in. I like classical, jazz, Motown, all sorts. Yeah, I'm a real music lover. Favourite food, oh my gosh, my favourite food, I like food in general guys. I can't think. A nice roast beef dinner with Yorkshire pud, roast potatoes, carrot and turnips, sprouts and Rick's homemade gravy. That's my favourite food. My favourite soda, we call it pop here in the UK, and it's got to be Diet Coke, all the way, Diet Coke. Favourite animal, well you all know I'm a cat mother, so cats. I've got 2 cats. Georgie, who's my little tortoiseshell boy, he's a little tinker, and then obviously Fluffy, my little princess, love her to bits. Favourite holiday, anytime I go on holiday with Rick, especially when we go to Turkey, that's my favourite. Favourite book, series of books, got to be Harry Potter, definite. J.K. Rowling, what an author. Yeah, I love them books. Favourite pizza toppings, got to be pepperoni guys, got to be pepperoni. Favourite pastime, oh my gosh, other than crochet and knitting, reading. I enjoy reading. I'm a big Tom Clancy fan. And I've got into motorcycle club books as well. I quite enjoy them, on my Kindle. Favourite fruit, oh my gosh, I love fruit, any type of fruit. I think there's only 2 fruits I don't like. Well, one that I can think off the top of my head, and that's gooseberries. I don't like gooseberries at all. Any other type of fruit I love, but I think my favourite 2 have got to be mango and blueberries. They're my favourite 2. Favourite vegetables, sprouts and carrot and turnip, or carrot and swede. They're my favourite fruit, vegetable. Favourite subject in school was art. I absolutely loved art. I did metalwork as well. Anything to do with my hands, I really enjoyed that. Favourite actress or actresses? Right, my favourite actor, oh god, dude. I think my favourite is got to be Tom Hanks, and I also love Denzel Washington. Favourite actress, there are quite a few. Sandra Bullock, she's amazing. I love Sandra Bullock, and I like Helen Mirren as well. She's a good actress. Favourite singer, female, has got to be Celine Dion. Been a fan of Celine Dion since she hit the scenes. And male favourite singer is Elvis Presley, guys. Sobbed my heart out when he died. Favourite superhero, my favourite superhero, my parents and Rick, they're my superheroes. Favourite comedian, I'm not a comedian, Peter Kay, here in the UK, Peter Kay. Favourite season, well, I love autumn for what nature throws at us. The colours at autumn of the leaves and everything are just amazing. but I'm a hot girl and I love my summer too. Favourite movie? James Stewart, June Allison, The Glenn Miller Story. Amazing film. My favourite all-time film. I really like the old movies, guys. Really do. Favourite smell? When after the freshly mowed lawn, grass, I love that smell. And after it's rained and that clean, fresh smell, I love that. My best friend is Rick, hands down. Always will be my best friend. Favourite decade? 50s and 60s, I think, guys. 50s and 60s. I'm a 1960 baby. And yeah, I wish I'd, you know, 50s and 60s. Favourite YouTube channel? Oh my lord, guys. There's so many out there. So many out there. For non-crafty, for non-crochet, non-fibre, it's got to be Mike Deacon. He's a good buddy of mine. Him and Ian make amazing journals. Steampunk, you know, steampunk's one of my favourites. Mixed media, and you all know I came from a mixed media background anyway. So yeah, I've got in the fibre community, guys, there are just too many to mention. I love each and every YouTube channel in the fibre community brings something different to all of us, and for I think there's just too many to mention, it's really really amazing the diversity we have out there on the YouTube streets. So thank you. I want to thank Cassie from Niche Crafts, who actually I've just found. So I met her on the Yarny Fibre Sisters on Saturday. So thank you so much, Cassie. I have been across and I am now subscribed to you, honey. So thank you so much for tagging me. And also Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you, Doris, for tagging me. Now, I've noticed that quite a lot of my friends have already been tagged, so I'm not tagging anybody, but anybody who is watching this, if you would like to take part, then just say that I tagged you, and I look forward to seeing your replies to these 23 non-Yarny questions. I'd be interested to see what your answers are. So once again, thank you to Doris and to Cassie. And that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.